development, sustainable development is more than just a concept. It is both a way to understand the world and a strategy of addressing global issues. It helps us think critically about the challenges facing our planet and guides us in creating solutions that benefit everyone. As an intellectual endeavor, sustainable development seeks to understand and manage the connections between the complex system, the global economy, global society, and the Earth's physical environment. These systems are deeply interconnected. Changes in one often affect the Earth. It is also normative or ethical worldview, a way to describe the goals of well-functioning society, one that provides well-being for its inhabitants today and for the future generations. In other words, it's not just about studying system, but about invention. A society that is fair, prosperous, and sustainable. By studying and applying sustainable development, we aim to balance economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental protection. This ensures that our actions today do not compromise the Earth of future generations to meet their own needs. In short, sustainable development is about making informed decisions, fostering collaboration, and taking responsibility for a better future. Example of sustainable development. In Mindanao, the southern part of Philippines, Davao City is taking the lead and restoring the region's lush surroundings through its Million Trees program. Today, the city has planted 300,000 trees in various areas of the city, contributing to carbon sequestration and preservation of biodiversity. The local government has also implemented a robust solid waste management program and has encouraged composting and recycling in many households, significantly reducing the use of landfills and adverse impacts on the environment. Pillars of sustainable development. Sustainable development focuses on three main pillars: environment, economy, and society. These three dimensions are interconnected, and through sustainability occurs with
Environmental Cosmic Form or ECC. The ECC shows the relationship between economic growth and environmental degradation. It suggests that in the early stages of economic development, pollution, environmental damage usually increase because industries expand and production grows. However, after a country reaches a certain level of income, called the turning point, environmental damage starts to decrease. This happens because wealthier societies can invest in cleaner technologies, enforce stronger environmental laws, and adapt sustainable practices. In economic, environmental cosmic form is often drawn as an inverted U-shaped form, showing that environmental degradation rises at first but then falls as economic growth continues. In short, it explains that economic growth can eventually lead to better environmental protection, but only if sustainable actions are taken. This graph illustrates the environmental cosmic form, shows the relationship between economic growth and environmental impact. The x-axis represents economic growth measured by GDP per capita, while the y-axis shows the level of environmental degradation or pollution. In the early stage of growth, industrialization and urbanization increase pollution and environmental damage, shown by the upward slope of the curve. As income reaches a turning point, societies invest in cleaner technologies, regulations, and sustainable practice, slowing environmental degradation. In the later stage, higher income enables further environmental improvements through renewable energy, waste management, and green policies, resulting in the downward slope of the curve. The environmental cosmic curve illustrates that while early growth may harm the environment, sustained economic development can lead to a cleaner and healthier environment. Causes of environmental cosmic curve. First, causes of environmental cosmic curve. Empirical evidence of declining pollution level with economic growth. Empirical studies shows that pollution levels by decline as economic
ecosystem, society, and equality of life. To measure sustainability effectively, several tools and common use. GDP adjusts traditional GDP by accounting for environmental degradation and source depletion. Sustainability Development Goals, a goals framework of 17 goals addressing poverty, inequality, climate action, and environmental protection. Environmental indicators, metrics that extract pollution levels and biodiversity, measure use, and another ecological factors. So means sustainability refers looking behind income for access, environmental health, social well-being, and long-term economic sustainability. These indicators help policymaker design strategy that support through sustainability development. Green GDP, accept green GDP formula. Cross GDP domestic product or green GDP in economics indicator design to account the environmental cost of economics growth like the traditional GDP, which measures only the total value of goods and services produced. Green GDP adjusts the negative impact of product on the environmental. Green GDP provide more realistic measure of integrating this environmental costs, offering clearly view of country sustainability, development of overall well-being. Green GDP consider environmental and associated social expense in economic development calculation by green GDP. Environmental degradation cost, natural resources depletion cost. Advantage of green GDP. Green GDP is based on the first principle that economic activity and environmental health are interviewed by accounting the resource depletion and environmental degradation is to provide to tools access how economics growth affect the environmental. Allow a policymaker to make informed decisions. Green GDP also able to comparison over time and between countries. For example, China has
Policy and global policy example. Global policies guide international cooperation to address issues like climate change,
SDGs, which are implemented worldwide to promote sustainable development. International agreements.